And we told them there must be a procedure to join the Kenyan schools, be it very near to their country, and that procedure was not duly followed. But when we sat down, we agreed with the county security team, with the governor of the Turkana county, and we tried to sample how many are in this count from Ethiopia, from Sudan, and other neighboring countries. We found there are quite a number of them. And why are they here? Because they are saying our system of education is very good, and that is a plus for our country. And we encourage those who are with the academic institution in this county to make more of them so that we can absorb our neighbors.
Yesterday, when I called the Minister for Interior, and I want to say thank you to him, because these kids and their parents are out because he called. After listening, I explained to him, and he was very remorseful that never again should this kind of thing